Hey, it's Cody from Hixson Lincoln at Alexandria. I'd like to show you guys the 360 degree camera today. Look at that. Look at how crisp it is. Super crisp. Toggling through. You can change your different views. Pretty awesome. Alright, we're going to turn that off and we can go ahead and take off. Going to check out the adaptive cruise and the lane assist. Boy, the Navigator is just an awesome vehicle. Look at our speedometer here. It looks amazing. Looks like an eclipse. Everything looks like the inside of the solar system. Heads-up display is amazing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but heads-up display is absolutely awesome. We're in our normal drive mode. God, this thing is so nice. I'm going to stop at the stop sign and I'm going to toggle through our drive modes. Let's do a quick little toggling of our drive modes here. Nobody's behind us. We are in normal mode. We got a slippery mode. We got deep conditions, which is for snow and mud. And then we have our excite mode, which is our very responsive and engaging mode. I think we're going to stick it in excite mode for now. And we'll go ahead and take off. And this is the L as well, the long Navigator. And once I put it in excite mode, it shows me how my RPMs are going. It sounds amazing. Pretty awesome vehicle. You see right here, here's our navigation. I love how you can see your navigation, and we can also see what we're listening to on the radio with our phone being paired. This thing really has some power. Got our little phone on the wireless charging port down there. Alright, we're at the stop sign here. Take a look. I think it's safe for us to go. And we're off. I love how it shows us our speed right here. That's really nice. Reminds you of what speed we need to be going. This infinity mirror, oh my God. Panoramic sunroof. It's a beautiful day out. It's just pretty awesome.